Let me show you the fastest way to add your logo to any email campaign or landing page inside MailerLite. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by logging into your MailerLite account. Once you're in, open up either a campaign or a landing page that you want to edit. This can be a new draft or something you've already started working on. The key is that you're in the content you plan to send or publish. Now launch the editor for that piece of content. This is where all the design work happens, so make sure the builder is fully loaded before you move on. Inside the editor, look for the image block in the content panel on the left-hand side. It's usually grouped with other media elements. Then simply drag that image block into your layout wherever you want the logo to appear. Once it's placed, you'll see options for adding an image. Click on Upload Image to open your file browser. From there, choose your logo file from your computer. Make sure it's a clear, high-resolution version, preferably a PNG or JPEG, so it looks professional at any size. Give MailerLite a moment to process the upload. Depending on your file size, this can take a few seconds. Once it's done, your logo will appear inside the image block. Now you can click and drag it to reposition it exactly where you want it. After that, resize the image so it's large enough to be easily visible but not overpowering. You can grab the corner handles to keep the proportions locked. For alignment, choose left, center, or right depending on your layout. Centered works well for most headers, but left or right can fit nicely in side areas. If you want, you can also add a link to the logo. Select the image, click the link icon, and paste your website's homepage URL. This turns your logo into a clickable element, which is great for directing subscribers back to your site. Before you finish, preview the layout to see how the logo looks on both desktop and mobile. Make any small tweaks if needed. Finally, click Save to lock in your changes. And that's it. Your MailerLite content now includes your company logo, giving it a polished, professional look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.